Y'all, it's your old friend Eating Good in the Woods here with a 1-minute camping hack. Stick around. First, let me start by saying, if you enjoy these videos and getting something out of them with my campground reviews and camping and cooking videos, give me a big old thumbs up, press that subscribe button, maybe even put me on your social media and leave a comment. I sure would appreciate it. Okay, so here's the hack. Most of these recipes that you like contain sometimes 5 to 7 different spices. I know mine certainly do. So go down to your local pharmacy and get you one of these day of the week pill vials. That way you can put each individual spice to measure in these, and then it's just easy as dumping out into your recipe. Well, that's enough for today. Hope you've enjoyed this. Y'all, go out and be nice to each other. Love you. God bless. We'll see you next time.